You'll be surprised how easy this chair bow is to make. If you'd like to make one too, I'll show you how, step by step. For this tutorial, we'll be using a ribbon that is size 2 inches wide or 5 cm and 21 inches or about 53 cm long. First, we'll heat seal both ends so the ribbon won't fray. Next, we'll make a few markings. This will serve as our guide when we form the loops later. Start by finding the center of the ribbon. From the center, measure and mark 7 inches or about 18 cm on both sides. And we have here our rhinestone mesh. It's cut to the same size as the ribbon. I'll use a clip to hold the ribbon and rhinestone mesh together so they won't shift while we're working. Now let's grab our needle and thread. Insert the needle through the center. Then bring the marked sides toward the middle. This will start forming our loops. Take a moment to adjust the loops until you're happy with the shape. Once everything looks good, it's time to sew. This part can be a little tricky because of the rhinestones, so gently adjust your needle as you go and look for the softer spaces between the stones. When done stitching, gently pull the thread to gather the bow and wrap the thread around in the center to secure the shape. Next, we'll glue the centerpiece. And finally, attach the hair clip to the back. That's our finished bow. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. If you give this a try, I'd love to know how yours turned out. See you in the next tutorial.
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft.